woodworking. Woodworking, I love woodworking. Taylor? Taylor's not here. Oh, Taylor is on the trip. Alexandria?
I work.
Do you prefer Alexandria or Alex?
Either one.
Either one. All right, cool.
Puppy. Puppy. I know that. I know him. He's drooling.
Oh, there's
I
two
love
of
him
them.
so much.
Oh, so cute. All right, guys. But still, we should not be opening gates unless I ask you. I think that's all of our rules.
Why isn't there anyone else here? Why is it
because the other person who was helping had to end up going on the varsity trip with them. But, I mean, I can do it. I was carrying the animals earlier today.
Wait, which is the varsity trip?
Huh?
What is it to?
They're going to Flagstaff for the day, but they're going to be back tonight. Why? Because it's an extra varsity thing. If you guys stay here through high school, you'll be able to do it. They help out a lot around the camp, so they get to do a few extra things.
I know, but what do they do in Flagstaff?
They're going to a rope course, I believe. Cool. Yeah. And so if you guys stick with us until you're in high school, you'll be able to you'll get a lot more responsibilities in varsity, and you'll be helping out a lot more. But then you'll get a few more fun things as well. All right.
Lilia Henrietta is supposed to be at swim, and she talked to
We can just take like 3 or 4 more minutes to finish up our snacks, and then we'll start over with our quail friends. Or let one of, just basically let me grab it. I can still grab them with one hand. We don't want a bunch of people running after our animals. And also, we have to make sure we're keeping our volume down and we aren't stomping or running towards them, because if we're crazy, then the animals are going to
Around 5,000, no, 2,000. 3,000.
Well, so in their first year of life, they can lay up to 500 eggs in just the
500,
first year that they're born. So then in their life, they can lay a few thousand eggs because they live 3 to 5 years. So quails are egg machines, all right? Does anyone else remember another cool fact about quails? Notice how we have a lot of them. We don't only have one quail because a family. They get really lonely if there's just one of them. That's why if you live in like Tucson, there's a lot of quails, or Phoenix, you see a whole family of them. You see the mama and you see the 5 babies. Yeah, there's always a family unit. Yeah?
Fun fact, I mothered a quail egg and
That's pretty cool.
Why?
because it was at the bottom of a tree and coyotes were around.
What did you do with the baby quail?
Probably released it.
I gave him
All right, does anyone a little freaked out? You can also hold them like this, kind of like a taco. Just make sure that you keep your hand firmly around their wings. It's just like all other animals. If they feel like you're unsure about how you're holding them, then they're going to feel unsure about you holding them. All right?
Oh, I don't like his eyes.
So they're a little bit calmer today. If you were here
Yesterday.
2 days ago. It's okay, I got
2
it.
days ago.
Can someone close the gate for me?
Whoa! There we go.
So like most animals, once it starts to rain and it starts to thunder, they get really scared and freaked out. So that's why I think on Monday and Tuesday, if you were in pet care, we didn't really handle the quails much. But today they're a bit more chill. All right. All right, who else wants to hold one? This is Ella's quail.
Number 14.
One hand out, one hand over. And if you guys want, you can go sit down on the hay bales with your quail. We're not going to take them more out because those two were a little bit stressed out. We got to make sure we're